So there's been a few people letting fireworks off already. We just had another look at the weather, and it says it's going to be absolutely pissing down the next few days. Tonight's the only night there's no rain, so we're going to let off some fireworks tonight. Not all of them, obviously, but this could be the only night without rain.
Not really petrified. They lied under beds or anywhere to get away from noise. No.
I said Cracker used to be like that.
My lot used to sit out there and watch them going up.
Well, yeah.
Corbyn thought they were brilliant.
Was it Corbyn or Melissa that used to rub
Melly,
themselves?
Melly.
Yeah, that was
rub
it.
herself out damn bin when I went to Bonfire. Andrew Corbyn set his tail on fire.
Oh, God.
I wonder where it smelled.
Well, yeah, we talked about it on the Stables vlog. Yeah.
She's settled with him.
Right, here we go, we're lighting the first firework. So we've got one there, one over there, and a big ass one there. See how that goes. Ooh, that was a pretty good one. Bit me thumb. Is that it? That wasn't very good, was it? Do one of these. Should have got more of those. Oh, what's that on the lens? Come on, you bastard. There we go. Well, that lasted long. So some of these fireworks require to be put in the ground a little bit, so I'm going to get a trowel. Right. Yeah, it's my little setup there. And then all the computer, actually I'll show you the computer setup. For the live stream. This is the control centre. For the live stream, we'll see how's it going. That's not doing too bad. So, we're going to be trying this one here. It's called Groovy Fountain. So, if it looks as good as what it looks on the box, then it'll be goes broke, they never do. So, whatever. Time to start digging a hole. One chunk. was pretty cool actually, that one's pretty cool. Usually these box ones are utter shy, but they're not too bad. Better than some rockets are kind of crap. So this one looks interesting. If you're like that one, I like this one. Came out pretty good. So that's where I burnt my finger earlier on. So you can see I've got a nice little lump. It's been stinging a little bit, it keeps coming and going. Tomorrow we're going to do some more fireworks, which is actually bonfire night. Just the weather's still saying it's going to rain, so someone's making chicken noises in my ear. I'm on Skype with someone at the moment. So live stream's up and going. We've lit off a few fireworks already. It's been a little bit more active tonight. So we're going to set one of these off. What's it called? A mini dragon. It's a bit too close for comfort. Someone's gone off over there. What's this one? Crackling glitter sparkle. Okay then. That lasted long. Ooh, smoky.
Smell like they used to.
There's a few fireworks going off around here, but you can't really see them much. But we've got a Sky Diamond and what is this? Sky Wonder. Where the fuck did that one go? Fucking hell. Took like 5 times the time to get it up and going. That was a lot of crap. Right, we're going to try this one next. Here we go. one wasn't a bad one. I'm going to have to lower the exposure on the camera though, because it is way too high. Right, here we go. We've got a rocket and 2 of those other ones. Oh shit. My lighter went out. I don't know if that was on camera or not, but my lighter went out, unfortunately. What one have we got here? This one is apparently called a large comet bomb. So let's see what that's like. That didn't go very high. For New Year, I'm going to get some more of those big ones, because those ones are good. I'm going to get some other ones, like the shot ones. But they only last like 30 seconds and they're like 10 quid per one. So it just seems a bit too much.
Want to get repeaters?
Repeaters.
You know, more going off, going to go bang, 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 bang.
Oh, yeah. Well, we might have something like that in just a second. Holy shit, is this a massive firework? Sort of. That's pretty big. 60 shots. Let's see how this goes. How much time? Oh, that isn't very high, is it? The tripod's falling over, I'm trying to adjust it.
Huh?
The tripod's falling over.
60.
That was supposed to be 60. I think one of the fuses wasn't in there properly though. From what I could see, one of the fuses looked like it was coming out.
6.
Yeah, it looks like there's fuses that aren't even gone off. That's better. Oh, I've sitting. Let's have a camera on fire. Right, I think it's done itself now. Oh, it's, with the iPhone's done that glitch where it doesn't stop recording. Well, I don't know if I got the last one because the camera messed up and I think I may have lost the recording, but it didn't light properly the first time, so we lit it again. Sun sparkle apparently. I've got a yellow and two yellows here to go off. So this is this one that I had a little bit of trouble with yesterday, which turns out was no trouble really, just retarded. Right, we're long enough, so let's wait. God, I wasn't expecting. I was not expecting that. Oh, fucking deafened me. It landed on their bloody roof. So we're having a few problems with the live stream at the moment. Hopefully that's working.
But a lot will be doing it Saturday.
Yeah.
They'll have the bonfire parties on Saturday. Are you using my pot?
Eh?
I'm using my pot.
Yep. Thought you were talking about something else then.
Oh, good. I thought it was going to set the whole tree on
Oh
fire.
my god, yeah. Alright, good night. Eh? Oh yeah, let's got some other stuff in. So, it's starting to rain. We've got the last two fireworks here. I'll attempt to let them off in sync. Yeah, that seems pretty good. That looked pretty good. I don't know if that picked it up or not. But there we go, that's all the fireworks. They're all gone now. Like I said, I lit them off yesterday, so... Right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was a pretty good bonfire night this time. I haven't really done it the last couple of years. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys sometime soon. Boom! Whee! That's supposed to be my impression of a firework. Just going to add this on the end of the video, I forgot to mention it. This is the day after the bonfire night. If you want to check out the full stream of the actual bonfire night, you can check the link in the description or click anywhere on the screen. Unfortunately, I don't have the recording of the previous night. I deleted that. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Yep, don't forget to check out the stream, and yeah, I'll see you guys sometime soon.